Hi, welcome. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, it's a dessert time, and today I decided to make these delicious donuts. It has less than 2 grams of sugar on each, very soft and fluffy, doesn't have any egg, allergy friendly, vegan friendly. If you're interested, keep on watching, and if you're also new to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button. You will be notified every time I upload a new video. Now you will need 300 grams of all-purpose flour. You will also need 1 tablespoon of sugar, also 1 tablespoon of yeast, you also need half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you have butter, you can substitute with some butter, or we're gonna use some oil. Give it a quick mix. Let's add some milk. I got here whole milk. We're gonna add it into slowly. Alright, after 5 minutes, dough is ready. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna let it sit aside and wait until it rises, doubles the size. Then we'll get the dough is ready. Now let's go ahead and put it on this mat. Let's add a little bit of olive oil. Be 20 ounces, so make it 20. Okay. So now I got all of it, and I also measured it. Each of them is 20 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll into my palms like this, even out, and then put it on the side, okay? Alright, it's done. So now I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes, and after that we're gonna start frying them. There it is. Let's see if the oil is ready. So yeah, it is ready. Let's go ahead and start adding our donut. There it is. Oops. So I'm frying at medium-low heat. We don't want it to cook too fast or burn. I want it to be golden brown and cook all the way through, okay? So take your time, no rush. So I got here 20 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's go ahead and start dusting to the donut, or roll around, whatever you call it. This is the final results, okay? Absolutely delicious, healthier than the one that you buy from the stores. So I stopped buying donuts from the stores. I do make it once in a month for my family, and they love it. Okay, and when you make donuts at home or desserts in generally, you are in charge to add more sugar or less sugar. So I'm pretty sure like donuts like this from outside has like 16 or like more than grams of sugar. So this one, I promise you, it only has less than 2 grams of sugar, and I am actually gonna be listing all the ingredients under the description. Make sure you check it out. Okay, I'll be listing all the ingredients. There's no secret, nothing.